Have you ever dreamed of a place where you could truly feel celebrated, uplifted, and free? Welcome to Puerto Vallarta. This coastal gem isn't just beautiful. It's inclusive, vibrant, and waiting to embrace you. Picture this: the sun cascading over mountains that kiss the sparkling Pacific, strolling along the vibrant Malecon boardwalk, every step a feast for the senses, from live music to tantalizing food aromas fluttering in the breeze. And the people? Open-minded, kind, and genuinely welcoming to everyone, making Puerto Vallarta a true haven for Black and LGBTQ+ travelers. Think of it as your safe yet stunning second home. Now, ready for some quick tips? Best time to visit? Between November and May, dry season means you'll catch the city at its most vibrant. Hidden gem? Venture over to Playa Las Gemelas for pristine beaches without the crowds. Looking for nightlife with flair? Zona Romantica is where energy meets acceptance. It's a must. And let's not forget the food. From fresh ceviches to smoky mole dishes, your taste buds will be going on their own adventure. Every corner of Puerto Vallarta whispers stories of belonging, whether you're exploring art galleries or cruising the dramatic Marietas Islands. Soak in sunset views as golden light dances on waves, a surreal end to a perfect day. If ever there was a paradise designed to celebrate diversity, this is it. Your passport to adventure and celebration is calling. Pack your bags, because Puerto Vallarta is waiting to welcome you with open arms. Subscribe to Destination Travel and let the next chapter of your story be extraordinary.